G'day guys, welcome to another Starlet night, or should I say another evening, since it's not dark yet today. Today we're gonna be installing the strut tower braces. Those are sort of overnight parts from Japan, or should I say, well, it took over a month to come actually. So over a month parts from Japan, but yeah, they got all the Japanese tags and things like that. So they look pretty cool. They're not extremely heavy, like they're alright. Obviously they're empty inside. I would say overall it's a pretty easy install, pretty straightforward, particularly for the front. So we just need to remove those bolts and put the new ones on. So those ones come with new bolts on as well. I should have them here somewhere. Yeah, there you go. So they come with new bolts as well, which might be a little bit wider. I don't know. I guess I'll measure them and see if we actually want to use those ones or the stock ones from the BC coilovers. But anyway, so the front is pretty much straightforward. The back, there's a little bit more work to do. So, just because of the plastic trim that we got here, obviously my floppy seats will benefit with that, because the strap brace will support them as well, so they're gonna stay a little bit straight. Again, this is a mod that I made just to save weight. I mean, I save decent weight, about 8.5 kilos. Check out the video. If I haven't uploaded yet, I will. But basically, yeah, I remove the steel plates here so they're a bit floppy. You can't use them, obviously, but nobody is coming into my Starlet new back seats. But anyway, so we'll have to accommodate the strap braces. We'll have to cut a little bit of plastic here, and I want to sort of try to make it flush. So first thing, I will mark it, sort of what I think it will work, and then we're just gonna cut it, and that should be it. Right, I'm gonna try to make it sort of flush. So this is the marker that I use to paint the lights inside the car. So I guess I'll use red because the car is red. Double check with Google Translate. Front. Yeah.
Thousand years later.
All right, forget the saw. That doesn't really work. It's too slow and it's too difficult to go in those places. So I'm gonna try with the Dremel. Hopefully it's not gonna be a disaster, but if it is, well, you're gonna see in real time. All right, first is out. It's not the cleanest job, but it's not even too bad. So probably just gonna sand it a little bit. This is pretty good, so I can use this as a reference for the other side. so yeah, overall fairly clean job, I think. All right, the bar's on, and according to the instruction manual, it's perfect. This product is designed for use in Japan only. It must not be used in any other country. Anyway, let's move the film, protective film here. All right, let's put the front one on. Should be pretty straightforward. The rear has only 2 bolts, but this one actually you can use the 4 bolts. Right, sits pretty nicely, and we're just gonna tidy it up, and that's it really.